All right. Good morning, everybody. It's nice to see you guys again.
Hi guys. I don't know if you remembered from last week.
Oh, let me see. These are our students. Everyone say hi. This is who we're talking to.
It's good to see everybody again. We missed you guys. It's been a week. I don't know if you remember from last week, but we've been doing the 3 good things every time we start our meeting. So get a few minutes to think about 3 things that have happened within the last time you saw us to now. It could be any 3 things that you like. And share those with us. So I'll give you a second or two to brainstorm, and then we'll go. I can start because I've been thinking about mine because I was excited to share them. 3 good things that have happened to me. My little sister has finally started living a healthy lifestyle, which I was excited about for her. That's awesome. My niece is officially 2 months old. I love that. And my birthday is coming up.
Ooh, that's exciting.
Miss G is going to be 23.
Ooh, that's so old.
Yeah.
All right, Shamar, do you want to share your 3 good things?
Yeah, so this week I got to celebrate my little brother's birthday.
Ooh,
That's
exciting.
And I got to eat one of my favorite Jamaican dishes for breakfast today.
Well, which was?
What is that?
It was called ackee and saltfish. It's the national dish.
Of Jamaica,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew that. I
You did
knew
know
that.
And then lastly, I got to watch a movie with my family.
Oh, that's always a fun time. What about you, Carlos?
I had breakfast for dinner.
That's always fun.
I painted,
Oh, that's cool.
and I got a lot of sleep.
Ooh.
I love that. That's
Sleep
always
is
the best.
always great.
All right, mine. I have to really think about this one. I went for a run last week, which was kind of nice to get out. I made a new friend.
New friends are great.
Yep.
We love new friends.
And I watched the movie with my little brother.
What movie was it?
It was a scary movie.
Ooh, Miss G don't do scary movies. Those are scary. I don't like them.
I love scary movies. He loves scary movies. So yeah.
Okay, well, thank you everybody for sharing. We're going to move into kind of reviewing what we talked about last week. Let me see if you want to take over with that.
So last week we were talking about, we were brainstorming what ideas did we want to come up with in order to share our facts with either people from our school, outside in the community. So do you guys have any idea what you wanted to do for our project?
I think we should make a poster with our facts.
I like that idea. What do you think, Shamar?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay.
So what sort of artwork do you guys, I think that's a great idea, the plants on a poster board of facts, that's great. But what way do you guys think we should put the facts on our poster board? What artwork do you guys want to do? Because we got to decorate it and make it look nice. So that's important.
Yeah, because we'll probably post it up in the school somewhere so people can see it,
I think we should probably make a tree with flowers, and the flowers have our facts on them, so it could be well displayed.
I love that idea.
Yeah.
Good thinking.
We can call them fact flowers.
Boom.
Kiss your brain.
Kiss your brain, Shamar.
That's awesome. Okay. So you guys did a great job on figuring out what ways you wanted to incorporate our information to the poster board. That's awesome. I'm so glad you guys were brainstorming while we were on break and we weren't together. So we are going to move into the part where we start figuring out. We figured out our facts last week, and we started doing our research, and we got some really cool facts from all the books and all the resources online that we gave you guys last week. So now we're going to start going back through the information that you guys collected, and we're going to figure out which ones are the most important so that we can put that on our board.
Yep. Do you remember, what should we title our poster board, first of all? Do you guys remember what our
topic was?
I think we should title
Why
it with
plants
something
are
to do with.
important.
Perfect. Is
Yeah.
that what you were going to say, Shamar?
That's exactly what I was
Okay,
going to say.
perfect. I think that we should also put it on there because we want what is our goal here? What do we want people, if they're going to come up to our poster, what do we want them to know about our poster?
Well, you just want to draw their attention into the importance of Earth Day and our planet and our plant life.
Exactly, and why we should take care of our plants. Good answer.
Great. So, with that being said, let's stop and think back. Let's use your brains and think back to last week when Miss Zuniga read us that book. She read us A Seed is Sleepy. Do you guys remember that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, in that book, there was a fact that she gave us about, what was it, Miss Zuniga? Plant seeds, I think it was, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she gave us a fact last week about plant seeds that we learned what one of the biggest plant seeds in the world was, which is a great fact. That's awesome to know about plants.
Mm-hmm.
But what's important to remember there is,
Was it important to Earth Day?
exactly, does that have to do with Earth Day?
Does the biggest seed in the entire world have anything to do with the importance of plants on Earth Day?
No.
No.
Probably not, exactly. So if we did write some down last week as a group, some of our facts. So Carlos, if you actually want to help us out and read one of our facts from our no column from our KWS, that is an example of one of the good facts we wrote down.
Plants produce oxygen that we breathe.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. And now that we can tie back into Earth Day because that is something that plants contribute to the earth, right? We have oxygen all over the world. We all need that to breathe.
What is oxygen? You just said it. We need oxygen to what?
In order to breathe.
Do you think that that's important for humans
Yes.
and for animals, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because without oxygen, what? We could not.
Survive.
There you go.
Exactly. So be thinking of those kind of things when you are deciding what 2 facts you want to write down on your fact flower, because you can only pick 2 out of everything that you wrote.
I love that Shamar used the word survive because now I'm thinking back to the fact about the biggest seed. Do you think we could survive with the most giant seed on Earth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think a giant seed would help us survive at all?
Maybe, but
I mean, we might be able to eat it for food, but
who knows?
probably doesn't help the whole earth.
Mm-mm.
So we're going to go ahead and move into writing down our facts, so you guys can go ahead and take out the list of facts that you wrote from last week, and me and Miss Zuniga are going to be coming around and helping you guys, if you need any help, deciding on what 2 facts to pick.
Mm-hmm.
So then at this point in the lesson, the kids would be pulling out their list of facts, and me and Miss Zuniga would be kind of alternating between the 2 of them in helping them decide what 2 facts they like the best and feel would contribute best to the
Yes,
the
and
plant
then this
facts.
is where we would kind of scaffold them if they are writing those facts that kind of like the big seed that aren't really necessary, and we would kind of use the book to reiterate and go back into the stories and the websites and be like, all right, well, let's take a look at our facts. Like, we can eliminate this. Let's look at this one and talk about it. And then once they're done writing, it's kind of like a draft, right?
Mhm.
And then we come around and once, we check it off, then they can move on to the next part of the project.
They'd get about 15 to 20 minutes to figure out that information. If we felt that they need more time, we did provide more time within the lesson for them to sit and read through their facts and kind of do that critical thinking of deciding which ones they feel are most important.
Mhm.
But
With what's happening, can't really physically do that. I hope that y'all are writing stuff down.
so once they have given us their 2 facts, and either Miss Zuniga or myself has approved the facts, because we want to make sure that, the facts that they chose are appropriate and, are giving us good and quality information. Once they get that okay, then that's when we move into more of the arts and crafts portion of the lesson, and we would then hand out their fact flowers
For the final product to be.
so they can start, so they can start writing